just came in today from extremeterrain.com, and it is our carbon fiber exterior. Well, more carbon fiber exterior. This is how it looks like. This looks nice and clean. Glossy too. This will match our carbon fiber exterior outside. That's what I was actually worried about, is the pattern of the carbon fiber. But man, it looks good. This is from TUFSKINZ. This is real carbon fiber. So we're going to use our alcohol towel to wipe this down. This is the first piece that we're going to apply. So we were thinking maybe we should open the door first and see, because this is how it is. If we open the door, you still have a gap if you start from here.
From the bottom, right?
Yep. And then if you go here all the way to the top, now when you close the door, there's like a tiny gap.
Yeah.
Like a tiny gap.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna close this part. So I think it's better if we start it from right there.
Just like that. So you don't even see like any
you can
gap.
barely see it too.
Peeling the...
And this is how it looks like.
Sticker cover.
Yep.
Wow. All right, here
Moment
we go.
of truth. Perfect.
Yeah.
How's that?
Perfect.
It matches our carbon fiber too.
Yeah, it matches our carbon fiber.
Cleaning all the spots that we're going to apply with alcohol and towel, and it's already nice and dry.
Yep.
Just peeling this off.
Okay.
And we're now going to start from the bottom. There
you go.
Flawless.
That's nice.
Yep.
Nice and shiny. Actually match.
Yeah,
see, this
it
is
matches too.
to this. Yep.
So this part right here is just pretty simple. You just apply it like right there.
All right, here we go.
Moment of truth. Oh, there, that's perfect right there.
Peeling the last piece for the passenger side, which is the triangle here. That looks nice.
Oh wow, it like molded.
I know. So we're now moving to the driver's side.
And
we're just cleaning all the...
I got some alcohol and wiping this area down.
second
piece.
Largest piece.
Off to the next one. Just peeling this off.
All done. All sides.
Yep. How it looks like with the windows up. Wow, it really matches with it. Cool. This is how it is on the passenger side. Guys, this just came in today. We basically ordered this right after we got our exterior carbon fiber parts. And this is for the glove compartment. This is for the rear handles. And this is for the upper accessory switches, or where the shades go. Okay, so I got some clean cloth, alcohol, and we are going to wipe this part right here, that part up there, and this part right here, both sides. Right, so I'm peeling this off right here, and it's gonna go right here. Yeah, this one was kind of tricky because it's thin.
So this one is where you have the switches. So since we don't have it.
Yeah, it's just the shades. So this part right here, we had to cut a few minor trims because it was blocking it. But this side was perfect fit. And man, it was pretty hard to cut because this is real carbon fiber.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like just whoop. We had to like really put force in it. So now it goes down. Before it wasn't able to go down. Now we're going to apply this one like that. Okay, so there we just finished applying all this. We had to cut a small piece right there because it was overlapping it. There you go. And we actually used this from Dyna Performance. It's the 3M.
It's those 3M
glue or
yeah.
stick-on or whatever.
The activator.
Yeah, because it would not, some pieces were like hanging. Just to be safe. Should be enough.
Yeah. Should stick it.
So next one is these handles right here.
Yeah, for there.
And then we are going to apply some more glue.
Now in the driver's side. Driver's side is done.
Yeah, this part we put more extra glue in it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're here at Ever After Tea Room, and we got ourselves the mango. What's this, carriage?
Yeah.
Wow, it's all mixed.
I
Look at
know.
that. All right, let's do this.
No turning back.
No turning back. Flawless.
I was even holding my breath.
Oh, you were? Oh.